Imagine you are a student living in a college hostel. You need to apply for leave, report a maintenance issue, check your hostel fee, track your complaint, or contact emergency services. Instead of opening 5 different portals, searching through menus, and filling multiple forms, what if you could simply ask one AI assistant? Introducing CampusNest AI, an intelligent campus assistant designed to make hostel life simple. Hostel management in many colleges is still fragmented. Students interact with different systems for leave applications, maintenance complaints, fees information, emergency support, attendance, notifications, and many more. This leads to long waiting times, poor communications, and unnecessary paperwork. Students often don't know where to go for a specific service. CampusNest AI solves this problem by bringing every hostel service that one intelligent conversational platform can do. So basically our problem statement is students face difficulties in getting timely responses for their daily campus needs, and that became the source for resolving this issue. That is the main problem. So what basically our CampusNest AI aims for? It aims to build an intelligent, secure, and unified platform that empowers students and campus authorities through automation, real-time communication, and smart multi-agent collaboration. CampusNest AI is not just a bot, it is an AI-powered campus operating system. The assistant understands natural language, identifies user intent, authenticates the student, and routes the request to the correct service automatically. Whether the user asks, I want to go home this weekend, or the water cooler isn't working, CampusNest AI understands this request and performs the appropriate action. Our architecture consists of 4 major layers. First, the React frontend provides a modern chat interface. Second, Fast API acts as a secure communication bridge. Third, Google EDK orchestrates multiple agents. Finally, the backend service interact with databases and API. The database which I have used is SQLite 3. Instead of generating plain text, each AI agent returns structured data using pydantic schemas. The front end then renders reusable UI components such as incident cards, leave cards, finance tables, tracking cards, and history tables. This architecture keeps the system scalable, maintainable, and production ready. Now, we should move towards the AI agent workflow, and let me show you how this system works.